Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get Instagram QR code. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm going to open up the Instagram app. And then once you're in here, just go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on your profile. And then once done, you'll be able to see your profile page. Now, what you'll do in here is basically tap on Share Profile. Just tap on it. And as you can see, you'll be able to see your specific QR code. If you want to try it, go ahead and just scan this QR code. If you want to add me as a friend, well, just go ahead and add me. All right. You could also share your profile directly from here. Send it to any messaging app that you have. All right. Or copy the link, send it to the messaging apps. Or you can just download the QR code right here and share it directly on Messenger or wherever. That is it. That's how simple it is to get your Instagram QR code. And if you want to scan something, well, tap on scan right here at the top. And then just scan your friend's QR code. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.